Hello and welcome back to our YouTube channel. In today's video, we will learn how to create a quiz with answer explanation and question hints. As you can see from this example, here we have the question hint and messages for right or wrong answers and question explanation. So now let's see how we can add these features to our quiz together. For that, let's go to the Quiz Maker plugin and move to the already created quiz. Here it is, IQ test. Just can move to the question submenu where you can find all the questions, but I guess it would be easier for us to move to the questions right from the quiz. So now let's choose the third question and make changes into it. Here we can see that our question is already added, but for adding the question explanation or hint, we need to move to the settings tab. Click here. Here we can see that we have the question hint option. You are free to add any text here you need. In this example, I will write that this is the hint text for the question number 3. Note that you can write any text here you want, and here we can see that Grammarly is making some changes to my text. Make sure to write the correct one, and so that's all. The question hint is already added, and next to it we have the question explanation option. Again, you can write any text here you want, as you have any explanation for the questions, which will make it easier for the users to guess the answer. Feel free to write it here. But if you remember, we also have the messages for right or wrong answers. The Quiz Maker plugin has special fields for them as well. Here we have the message for wrong answer and message for the right answer. The logic is the same. Again, write your desired text here and it will be displayed in the quiz. Also, here I would like to mention about the user answer explanation option, which is responsible for providing the users a chance for giving their own explanations, so they can write there why they have chosen that particular answer. For activating this option, just enable it. Let's move to the quiz itself, as there are some settings that must be activated for making these explanations and hints visible for the users. So here we are. Now let's move to the settings tab, and here we can see that we have the show correct answer option. Make sure to activate this option, otherwise the question explanation and messages for the right or wrong answers will not be visible here. Here you can choose the duration of the for displaying the message. Here I chose 4 seconds. You can write your desired number here. Next to it we have the show messages for right or wrong answer. You can see that I have chosen the during the quiz option, but here also we have the on result page, that is the users will be able to see the messages only after passing the quiz, or on both, or just disable these options so the messages will not be visible. And for question explanation, here we have a special show question explanation option. Here again I have chosen the during the quiz option, but the options are the same as they are in the show messages for right or wrong answers. So I guess that's all for these options. Again, just for all the quizzes, again here just click on the save button and copy the given shortcode, add it into any post or page, or even into Gutenberg or Elementor blocks, and your quiz will be visible for your users. And in this case, they will have a chance to see the explanation or hints for the questions.